So, experimental learners, like a kinesthetic learner, right? They like to learn by trying new things. They like to experiment with different approaches. They're often hands on. They're going to dive into very unfamiliar territory, but they want to do it because they are going to learn through trial and through error. So, when we look at this, we want to see how do we apply the experimental learning style? So we want to experiment with different methods. So try learning something new. You want to do a different approach. See what works for you. Try it out for your learners. Don't be afraid to fail, and each experiment is going to teach you something valuable. Next, you want to be able to create prototypes or models. Help to really understand new concepts by building something new. Practice real life scenarios to solidify your knowledge. Reflect on your mistakes. Never forget this reflection piece. This is really important. So instead of seeing mistakes as failures, view them as opportunities to learn. Experimenting and adjusting your approach is going to help you to refine your skills. Also, engage in simulations or role playing. This is extremely valuable. There are all kinds of ways, and especially great technology out there right now, that allows you to apply what you've learned in real world context. And if you don't know how to do that, ask an expert. You'll be impressed at what they know and how they can help you. But one of the easiest things you can do to really apply your experimental learning style is to be able to find a mentor that's going to help you to do that.